Hello everybody, this is Ace. I'm back with my phone. My editor should be very pissed because I've been switching from camera to phone to camera, and also thinking about buying another vlogging camera for my real estate content. She's gonna hate me, but I'm just trying to figure out which is the best to do it. So do this, okay. It starts to follow me. Okay, a couple things. First of all, like I said, one of my buyer pulled out, but what I do is I buy closing gift for my clients, whether you're a seller, you're a buyer. I will always try to contribute a little bit of what I made during the process as appreciation for my client. I know some realtors do it, some realtors don't. Some realtors, they buy essentials like toilet paper, paper towel, cutting boards, plastic baggies, and laundry detergent, everything like that. And they kind of figured out what to buy when they help the client to purchase a property, and also what they do just based on their knowledge of the client. So what I did, the buyer who pulled out from the deal, they were Koreans, and who doesn't know about Korean barbecue, right? And I love Korean barbecue. So this is one of their gifts. So this is a smokeless grill with double plates. I don't want to open it up because they put out, I have to return it, and I don't want the seller, the innocent seller, to suffer from, reselling this product. But part of the reason why I bought it, because I like it so much. I've had it when I was in university, and when I moved from all the way from California to here, I don't have enough space to carry my smokeless grill, so I threw it away. That's really bad. I shouldn't have done that, but because I loved it so much, I bought one for myself. So this is a smokeless grill. It has a glass cover on the top, two grills, one with a little hose and one without. And under that, here's a heating wiring thing and a little catcher for all the grease and all the oil. And then a little plate for water, and all the grease will get sucked into the water and make it smokeless. And it works really, really well. You can smell all the food and all the barbecue, stingy, whatever, but it actually doesn't grease or produce any smoke into your house. It actually works really well. And let me put this aside. A second product that I bought for my buyers, it's a notebook. Also, I'm going to let my editor showcase what it's like to use a smokeless grill. Right here, he's gonna pull a random video. So the second product I got is this notebook thingy. So it's a 3-ring binder for my client. I'm opening this up because the other buyer that I'm working with, I'm also getting her this thing, because this notebook, because it's also for a new construction. It needs a lot of things needs to be like record kept, like that. Why turn off the light? Oh my God. Okay, so I actually need to put a lot of records into this thing. For example, the home warranty, the easement, all the warranties, and the utility information, all the vendors number. We have a company vendor list that people have used throughout the year. That's going to be like a good recommendation if you don't know anyone. Yeah, and that's going to fill up this notebook pretty quick. I wish when I bought the property that I own right now, my realtor did all that for me. So I have easy access of the information that I need, and I don't have to like go online to look it up. I also have this like physical copy in my drawer or in my office that I know where it is. So it's really nice. So here's the labeling thingy, the notebook itself, very nice, and all the dividers, different color. So I'm going to also sneak in a couple of my business cards in here, so she'll remember me for the rest of her life, and I hope in a good way. But yeah, this is very, very cute, very well made. This alone is like 20-30 bucks. The electric grill was like 120 bucks after tax. Mind you, these are not like super expensive homes. They're expensive, but they're not like luxury $1 million homes. If it is, I'll buy like more expensive stuff for them. But yeah, here's what I got. And also for my current buyer that I'm working with, the closing is on May 1st. I also got her those LED road lamps because there is a spotlight for the parking. It's actually, okay. So this attracts me. So it is actually very, very bright. So it shines your eyes, it's gonna disintegrate your eyes. So it's really bright. That's why I'm getting her those, LED solar roadside lights. I'm going to buy them. I placed an order already. It's going to arrive in 2 days. And I'm going to the property myself and plug them in and make them nice and presentable for my buyer. Also, I got her a cutting board that's customized with her name, the date of the closing, and the name of the neighborhood. So that's going to be nice. It's a pretty big cutting board. You can do charcuterie, you can do cheese, whatever you want to do. If you want to cook on it, that's fine. It's a good display unit and also to memorize this big moment. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you guys. I also have a buyer coming up that I told you. I did the listing presentation with them. I did the CMA. I told them a couple options that we can work on to sell the house because this house needs septic repair or replacement, or to connect it to the city or city sewer. It's going to cost them like $15,000 to connect to the city, $10,000 to replace it, and $2,500 just to temporarily repair it. That's going to last them like 3 to 5 years. I don't think the buyer will want that potentially, so it's going to cost them some money. They haven't signed all the documents yet. I will see what they want to do after that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and if you think I picked out the good gifts for my buyers, let me know. And if you have any good recommendations for a closing gift, please let me know. And I'd love to revise on my gift selection too. All right, thank you guys.